and this video is dedicated to a minion. And yes, this is a flying minion that can actually fly, I hope. And there is a remote control that can, use to fly this thing. So yes, it looks really nice. I mean, I like myself some minions. I like minions. Everybody does like minions, right? So yes, I think this is something that's worth taking a look at. It draws my eyes straight away, and yes, I just like minions a lot. So without further ado, let's open this box and get ourselves a flying minion. So what do we have here? A flying minions. As you can see around the box, there are a bunch of symbols that I don't even know how to read, so I'm not going to even try, but instead I'm just gonna open the box and see that there is a yellow thing that kids really like, and so do I. And yes, look at what we have right here. This is the Minion. As you can see, Despicable Me 2. Haven't seen the movie though. Okay, so this is what the Minion looks like when you unbox it. And inside the box also comes with a remote and a charger with a USB output. And this is where you put it into the Minion. Okay, that sounds a bit wrong, but go with me here. So let's attach the charger to the Minions like this. Again, adults, please be adults. And this end you put it to wherever you can find, maybe a phone charger or a computer, anything that it can fit, then it will charge. And once you charge the Minion, it should work when you use a remote to turn it on, like. So to round up this video, I just want to say to you guys, I broke it. Yes, I broke it. I don't know what to make of this. Maybe I don't know how to play with this. Maybe it's too sensitive, or maybe my hand is just too small for anything to react to. Okay, it makes me feel like when I held my own crush's hand, get no reaction at all. So I broke it. Maybe it's because it is cheap stuff, but maybe if you got something better, maybe it would work. But this doesn't, at least not for me. So that was it. Dude, what do you guys think of this? Leave it down in the comment sections below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. I'm Mix and Enjoy from Feel Our Vibe, and I'll see you soon.